My role to ensure that we have current and people that understand the needs of today is to ensure that SAICA has a healthy pipeline of future chartered accountants. I believe that for us to be able to can meet the future needs, we need to think differently and to be able to can speak to the future generations. The way things were done in the 80s is not going to cut it in 2023. We need to be current and relevant. The impact that Sasol is having in the future is huge because it is through such initiatives that we are able to ensure that we remain relevant and current to the current needs, because this platform ensures that we make sure that future generations are catered for. My encouragement to the current future leaders is that believe in the beauty of your dreams. You need to be disciplined. You need to believe that you can make it happen.